Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I make videos on healthy and easy to make food recipes you can try at home. So why not click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it so as to get notified each time I upload a video. Today I would like to show you how to make bread dough in a food processor. Let's see the ingredients we'll be using to make the bread dough. Get your flour. You can use any flour of your choice: coconut flour, oat flour, wheat flour. Use any flour you are not allergic to. I have 5 cups of mixed flour in all, 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast. It is optional. Most of the time I don't use the yeast. I advise you use what is highly beneficial to you health-wise. 2 eggs. This is the pan for making the bread. I also have 5 ml of water. You can see the gradation on the measuring cup. I have 6 cubes of frozen date syrup brought out from the freezer and allowed to thaw. If you've not watched the video on how I made this, kindly go see the video. These 6 cubes are equivalent to 1 of this cup, which is half cup measurement. Get the food processor. The main work of the processor is mixing, and I mean proper mixing. Measure half cup of water and heat it up to soak the yeast. You don't want the water to be hot but slightly warm. You can fill the kettle with your palm. Pour the warm water into the yeast and leave it for some time. Pour the dry ingredients into the food processor. Start by pouring the mixed flours, the milk, then turn on the food processor to mix a little. Salt. Add the date syrup. The eggs. Cooking oil, the yeast, then turn it on again for the final mixing. Add water gradually. You can try to fill the dough with your finger to check the consistency. If you're okay with it, then you don't need to add more water. What we have here is okay by me. As you can see, I didn't use all the water. I have about 100 or 50 ml left. Let's go ahead to prepare the baking pan. Spray some oil into the pan using an oil spray bottle, or you use a brush like so. Scoop the dough into the baking pan with the help of a spatula. Try to spread it evenly in the pan. Spray some oil over it. Keep it warm and allow to stay for about 30 minutes. Because of the presence of yeast in the mixture, the dough can double in size or even more depending on how long you wait for the dough to rise. In that case, you can divide the dough into another baking pan. It is best to do that from the beginning before the dough rises. Yes, this is how easy and quick it is to make bread dough in a food processor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and share to friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. But till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.